Hey guys, how's it going? I'm Dave Lee from Dave Lee's English. We have a very special lesson for you today on all the kinds of T sounds. So, if you haven't done so already, please like, because I know you're going to like this. Share it with anyone who wants to improve their pronunciation. Subscribe and be sure to turn on your notifications because we got a lot more information to share with you in the days to come. So let's get into it. Usually we've been doing one letter at a time and one sound at a time, but this time it's actually 4 sounds all associated with the letter T. And these are top T, stop T, flap T, drop T. What is this? Well, first of all, stop T and flap T are pretty commonly known in English teaching systems, but I invented the term top T and drop T just to rhyme. And the reason I did this is because Dr. Seuss, who wrote The Cat in the Hat, and he also wrote the Grinch. He wrote a lot of other children's books that were very popular, and one of them was called One Fish, Two Fish, Red Fish, Blue Fish. And so I said, hey, let's call this top T, stop T, flap T, drop T. And there's a reason behind every name, and we'll get into that. By the way, if you notice, the name of his book was One Fish, Two Fish. In English, fish is the plural of fish. And strangely enough, fishes is also the plural of fish. So if you say 2 fish, you're fine. If you say 2 fishes, you're also fine. Just a little bonus there. So instead of a trabalengua, instead of a tongue twister today, we have an example of each of these 4 sounds. The first one I called top T because all Brazilians know the word top, or topi. But it's has the regular T sound that also exists in Brazilian Portuguese. But usually if T is at the end of the word, it doesn't have that complete T sound. But this does. This isolated one-word question, what? What? You hear the what? The T sound in there? That's because it's just one word by itself with T at the end. And you have the regular T sound, the top T sound. And the next one is what we call the stop T. And it's in the abbreviated form, the reduced form of this question down here, number 3. What are you doing? What are you doing? But people don't usually say, what are you doing? They say, what you doing? What you doing? That's one of the ways it's reduced. I'll tell you the other way soon. But when you say the what are and you reduce it to whatcha, the T stops. You don't say what or what cha. It's whatcha, whatcha. It's like what, and you stop right in the middle of the T. So this is stop T. Then this phrase, what are you doing? If you don't reduce it to what you're doing, it will sound like what are you? Water, like what you drink, water. The T actually changes to this flap T. And flap T, English-speaking people usually think of it as a D sound, but it's like the Portuguese R sound in like janeiro. So, and you can say, what are you doing? Or you can even reduce this another way too. What are you? What are you doing? Still has the same number of syllables. It's just easier to say, more relaxed, more informal. What are you doing? What are you doing? So that's the flap T. And then the drop T. This phrase here, I don't know. You know, you actually have either a stop T, like in what you're doing, or you have a top T, like I don't know, but you're really emphasizing the don't. But usually people just speaking at normal speed, normal conversation, they reduce this to I don't know, I don't know, I don't know. And if you say I done know, I done know, where's the T? It disappeared. So I call it the drop T. You just drop the T altogether. You get rid of it. And so there you have the 4 T's. The top T, the complete T, the T in the word top and in the word what. Then you have the stop T in the reduced phrase, what you doing, what you doing. I don't know if you ever saw Phineas and Ferb. Isabel has a crush on Phineas in nearly every episode. She says, what you doing? So the third one is the flat T. What are you doing? Either what are you doing, or the even more reduced, what are you doing? What are you doing? Where the T really turns into, like, we think of it as a T or a Portuguese R, as in dinheiro. And then finally the drop T. The drop T, I don't know. Say a lot. Okay, so those are the 4 T's. You can work on those if you're already familiar with the regular T. You can work on these others to really improve your pronunciation, to sound more natural, sound more like a native, and it will really help you understand native speakers as well. So thanks for watching. Until next time, God bless you and have a great day.